The announcement of the winners of the evening. So may we request the candidates?
The four candidates. Candidate number 1, Miss Ruby Sase.
Okay, candidate number 1, Miss Ruby Sase.
So ladies and gentlemen, have the final look for the four candidates before we announce the winner. That's candidate number 1, Miss Ruby Sase.
Candidate number 2, Miss Yoli Antonio.
That's candidate number 2, Miss Violis Antonio.
Candidate number 3, Miss Ana Rueda.
So that's candidate number 3, Miss Ana Rueda.
Candidate number 4, Miss Hen Castillo.
So candidate number 4, Miss Hen Casimiro. So there you are, the 4 candidates.
Vying for the title of Miss Valentine 2009. Now may we request the officers to get ready for the Miss Photogenic Award.
So we have the privilege to announce now the winners for Best Photogenic.
Ito ho, walang daya, sarado pa.
This is audited by Miss Loida Samara from Philippine Embassy.
Wala ho itong dagdag bawas.
Independent auditor ho ang mayor.
Miss Photogenic of the evening,
For 2009,
Miss Ana Rosario Rueda.
candidate number 3, Miss Photogenic of 2009.
Come forward, Miss Ana. Miss Photogenic.
The SAS and the plaquette to be awarded by Miss Annalyn Baloto. Second runner-up of Miss Valentine.
The first ever Miss Valentine of Club Pinoy. The next special award will be the Best in Talent.
So thank you, Miss Photogenic 2009, Miss Ana Rueda.
Again, the envelope still sealed.
For Best in...
Best in Talent.
So ito matindi.
Best in Talent of the evening goes to candidate number... Ay, hindi. Candidate number 4.
Miss Casimiro. SAS and plaque to be presented by Mr. Miss April Jamal. So there you have it. Best in Talent winner for Miss Valentine 2009.
Candidate number 4,
Miss
Hen Casimiro. Congratulations, Hen. Congratulations, Anna.
So next award, special award for
Best in Gown. Sino bet nyo? Candidate number? Hindi mabuksan.
It's still a sealed envelope and verified and audited by Miss Lokita Sabana.
Walang dagdag bawas. Best in Gown. Best in Gown of the evening. Candidate number 4, Hen Casimiro.
Sent plaque to be presented by Miss Rotalie Pahenago,
Assisted by Mr.
Douglas Calvin. Miss Rotalie Pahenago and Mr. Douglas Calvin will present the award.
Congratulations, Hen, bagging the 2 special awards of Best in Talent and Best in Gown. Thank you very much, Hen. Okay, eto na ho ang final result. Final result of Miss Valentine 2009. Third runner-up, Shwaya. Third runner-up is candidate number 4. No. Sorry. Pinakano lang kayo. Tetens ako. Kalingay. Candidate number 2, Dioli Antonio.
Presented the award for Miss Dioli to be presented by Miss Rotalie Pahenago and to be assisted by Mr. Douglas Calvin. So third runner-up is Miss Dioli Antonio.
Rodaline and Mr. Douglas. Congratulations, Gabi. And now for the second runner-up. Second runner-up is candidate number 1, Miss Ruby Sase.
Award to be presented for second runner-up by Miss Sabrin Kamal and to be assisted by Mr. Gilbert Herrera.